Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd? Today, we're unveiling something truly innovative: custom matte stand-up bags. With their chic matte look and convenient stand-up design, these bags are revolutionizing packaging. Whether you're packaging snacks, coffee, or pet treats, these bags combine style and functionality to elevate your brand. So, if you're ready to make a statement with your packaging and stand out on the shelves, look no further than custom matte stand-up bags. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your packaging game and captivate your customers. Contact us today and let's create packaging that speaks volumes. We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.